Baby, you don't know. This is my hair, and this is the extensions. Like, this is crazy. Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. Ew, why did I do it like that? Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. So, I already did this intro, but I realized my mic wasn't on, so I'm re-recording it to get that good audio. But I'm going to be doing a collab with Curl Queen. So, I think I'm going to insert some clips of the first intro I did because I was very hyped when I opened this package. I got this package from Curl Queen's last week, and I was so tempted to open this. Like, look how nice this looks. I literally took off the ribbon and then I put it back on, so I'm like, no, I need to open this on camera. But I got some clip-ins from them. I haven't worn clip-ins in a very long time, but this is what the package looks like. Comes with a detangling brush, extra little clips. This is a bonnet? No way. So it comes with a bonnet that's literally reversible. This is going to be my new bonnet because I just have a regular black one and I also have a brown one literally right here. And as you can see, it's looking very raggedy. Oh yeah, I was not expecting that. Ooh, okay quality. I messaged her and asked how much she was sending me because I've worked with companies in the past that just sent me one bundle and it was not enough for my head. So I ended up doing like ponytails and just different hairstyles with them. She told me she's gonna send me one bundle, so I was kind of iffy, but this is hefty. Yeah, so probably editing stage just put together like a little intro. But again, this is what the curls look like for this hair. I am so hyped. Like, these look so natural. Majority of us watching this has got fake hair before. For me, when I get fake hair, I do not like when it's like silky. Like, I really prefer when the texture, not the curl pattern, but the texture of the hair is more like afro-like. So that is literally this. So, for example, there's some curls like kinky curl. It is curly, but it's like silky. So it's hard to blend natural hair with it. This is curly. Like, the curl pattern is so natural, but the texture of the hair as well, if you can tell, bars, is like super, super natural looking. The first thing I did is, of course, bleach the bundle. This thing was so hard to take off, like so hard. Damn, as you can see. But basically I just mixed up my mixture. It was really thick, so you'll see me periodically adding some more the developer. Yeah, that's what it's called, right? I'm having a brain for it, but you'll see me adding more as I'm applying the bleach to the hair. I could escape, but I've run it long enough to know there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh. So I could already see it getting lighter and it felt really warm, but I just let that sit for maybe like 15 minutes or so. I don't really remember, but I just let it sit. I'm gonna need y'all's freaking attention, okay? I was about to dry this, but I'm like, let me bring this back because please look at the quality. Focus. Focus. I said to focus. Please look at the quality after I just freaking bleached this hair. It's still wet, obviously, so the curls have to shrink back up, but like, yo. Look at that. So then I just flipped the bag inside out and then I put on the dye on the clip-ins. I used about 2.5 bottles of this dye, and this is the same dye I use on my head. It's like a perfect number 4. You know that I'm missing you. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, yeah. So I used the free brush they gave to just brush it through the bundle to make sure it's fully saturated, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and of course I'm wearing the bonnet as well. But I just did 4 jumbo flat twists on my head, and then I left the front of my hair out and also like the middle. And then I just went ahead and applied the clip-ins. I don't like to drink, I don't like to think, fuck that. Just a little close-up of how I applied them. So for the front part that meets, you know, those that leave it out the front, I made sure to get like right close to the front so that it blends seamlessly. You're my 4-leaf clover. And this is what it's looking like after they're all in. It was still damp, so I went ahead and put a blow dryer through the hair And it's still gonna be a bit damp, but it's more dry than it was before, of course. My blue jeans. And right here, I was feeling myself, okay? I'm just like, okay, I see the potential. But then I just went ahead and took out my leave out. And you can pretty much just leave it like this. I wetted a bit and then I decided to do a side part. And I put in some gel and I'm like, yo, I could literally just blend it like this because my hair blended really, really well. But instead, I decided to do a like flat twist out on my leave out to just kind of intertwine all of, like, you know, the extensions and my leave out together. You don't have to, but I just did it just to do it, you know? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm obviously not done here, but these just look so like juicy and but I went ahead and blew dry it, and then after that I'm just gonna take them out. And literally as I was taking them out, you can see like it just started to blend and just look so good. Baby, the sound of you, better than harmony, yeah. Talk to me, bumbaclat nice, please. Like, yo, this hair is so good. This hair is so good. Look how well it blended. I am flabbergasted. Do you see this? Do you see how well it blends? Guys, quickly pay attention. Like, do you see me? Oh my gosh. This is some of the best hair I've had in a while. It's the texture. Do you see the texture of this hair? Oh. I literally just got my third earlobe pierced. I vlogged it. It blends with the texture of my own hair so well. Curl queens, you did that. Take all the trophies, because I think I'm probably gonna end up installing this in my head like as a sew-in, because I've done that before where I've had clip-ins and I just end up sewing them in as a sew-in, and I'm probably going to do that with this hair. I was honestly planning to do a protective hairstyle with like Senegalese like jumbo twist, but like that might have to wait. Yeah. I can install this in my head and not have to worry about it being hard to blend, because as you guys saw, even with me just like putting some product in my hair, it's gonna blend because the texture and the curls match my hair perfectly. Wow. So my hair is still a tiny bit damp like at the roots, so when this completely dries, it's gonna look bomb. But that's pretty much it for the video. If I have a coupon code for this hair, it will definitely be down below. Shout out to Curls Queen because I'm obsessed. I bleached and dyed this in one day and the curls are still popping. If it's already this voluminous and it's not even fully dry, I am hype. Yeah, I honestly might end up sewing this in my head tonight. Let me not. But I want to, but it's late. I feel like I need to be smart. But I want to. If you guys have any questions, just ask me down below. You'll probably see these in my TikToks and my Instagram pictures because, like, I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it is Sage. And Curls Queens Clip-Ins signing out. Peace.